So I want to address some of the most common mistakes that I see in a divorce. And this is not a one size fits all situation, but one of the biggest things is people hire the wrong lawyer. They hire someone that's either convenient or cheap. They'll hire a family friend. They'll hire somebody that's just simply close by. They'll hire somebody that practices all different types of areas of law. Now, there are some great attorneys that practice multiple areas of law, but unless you know that they have the experience you need, it's a mistake to put such an important decision into their hands. I often see people make mistakes of simply because you have a good lawyer doesn't mean that they can't make mistakes. And it doesn't mean that they got your situation resolved exactly the way you needed it to be. I see people that will come in and I'll go over their documents and I said, "Have you read this?" And they said, "Oh, I trust you." And I said, "Well, that's great, but don't. I'm not saying that you can't trust me, but I can make a mistake. And if we don't have the same terms that we thought we agreed upon, that's on you. My job is to make sure you understand the terms, but your job is to read it. You got to make sure that you understand what you're signing. And if you don't understand it, I expect you to ask questions. It's a two-way street. It's a partnership. I need to make sure I translate what these words mean into English so you can understand it in everyday life. But if you don't get it, I need you to raise those questions because as your lawyers, we need to make sure that you know what's going on and that you know exactly what is expected of you when you sign these documents.